What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and I got my Milwaukee stapler. I've only used this thing one other time. I see it has a speed adjustment on it right here. I really haven't adjusted the speed too much, but so far I think I kind of like it. It's pretty good. If you have a screened-in fence here and the screened-in patio here, and as you can see with the patio right here, we got the screen that's kind of popped out there. What I'm gonna do is follow suit. I see where somebody stapled it in before, and I'm just gonna staple it again. So I'm just gonna stretch it across there, shoot a staple. Pretty simple, pretty easy fix. This is Handy Danny at your service. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you had this stapler, let me ask you this question. What would you be stapling? Huh? Would you staple papers with this? Would you make sure you wear safety glasses to where you don't staple your eye, okay? But I like it, man. It just it does the job, man. It's like, what would I be if I didn't have this little stapler? I wouldn't be able to do this job. So it's really a matter of being equipped for any job, having all the appropriate tools, you know. My website will be done here real soon. I'm gonna get real focused on it, and I'm coming up with a subscription service called Batteries, Bulbs, and Filters. You know, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to your house with the appropriate batteries, bulbs, and filters. And then we'll also be able to offer handyman services in regards to if you need a screw turned. If you got a couple screws loose, we can't help you. That was a bad joke. Look at that. Screens back together. All of them are a little loosey-goosey. So this one right here is following suit. This one's a little tighter, but hey, you know, all the bugs are staying out. I don't see any holes here. Make sure I kind of close it off to the best of my ability. Nothing wrong with throwing a couple extra staples. We're gonna do the Homeowner a solid. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of go around, and you see here, this one's loose. I wasn't instructed to fix this one, but don't be afraid to be extraordinary, all right? I will make sure I mention to her that, you know, I found a couple other screens that were not necessarily, ooh, a little too much there. Let me fix that. Problem fixed. See that? Extraordinary. I'm gonna go inside and push that back. All right. We're just kind of going around here, making sure all the screens here, they got a little bead of silicone, which is good there. Don't have any caulk or silicone to close that off. But if I did, I would. And this one right here is pretty loose. This one right here is there's a loose one right here. So, sure, the homeowner is aware of each one that is not holding properly, but I will make sure that I mention to her that I went around and restapled all of them that needed staples. Pretty nice, pretty simple. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and Milwaukee is the way to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.